Okay, guys, we're going to be doing dumbbell chest press. You're going to grab 2 dumbbells, something you can do properly with good form. Let me go over the mechanics real quick. So first thing is when you're on the bench here, okay, you really want to squeeze your back. That's really going to pop out your chest. So you're going to squeeze your back. See how my chest kind of pops up? You're going to drive with your heels, okay? You're going to go up. You never want to touch here. You're going to lose tension. So you want to keep your arms outside your elbows here, and you're really going to drive with the elbows. So you really want to squeeze there. Down, 1, 2, 3, up. And notice how my back is flexed the whole time. And up. All right, let me show you real quick. Okay, grab the dumbbells. All right. All right, flex the back. Pop the chest up. Up. Drive with the elbows. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3, up. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3, up. Go ahead and grab that other angle. 1, 2, 3, up. Really focus on the negative here. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are dumbbell chest presses.